For today's recipe, we will need 3 chicken breasts. I will make 4 cuts this way, and then I will make 4 cuts in the opposite direction. Enjoy and tell me where you are watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipe. Now I'm going to add a little salt, black pepper, oregano, and spread it well with my fingers. Then I'm going to coat all of our chicken here with wheat flour until it's well coated. Now in a pan, I will add a tablespoon of melted margarine. After that, I'll put the chicken breasts here in the pan, and when one side is brown, I'll flip it over so the other side is browned. And if you've seen this video so far, it's a sign that you're enjoying our recipe, so leave your like and write "I love chicken." To continue, I will add to minced garlic cloves and let it fry well. Then I will put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of honey. I will cook for a few minutes until a thick sauce forms, turning the chicken from one side to the other. Be sure to make this recipe at home, and then come back to let me know how it turned out. Guys, this chicken is very easy to make, and it is very tasty. I am sure that everyone will like its result. To finish, I will add a little chives to taste. And our recipe is now ready. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching so far. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.